Your bike's chain is the heart of its drivetrain, responsible for transferring power from your pedals to the wheels. However, over time, dirt, grease and grime can accumulate, creating a cutting paste that cause wear and reduce the efficiency of your ride. Cleaning your bike chain regularly not only extends its lifespan, but also ensures smoother performance and prevents costly repairs. To clean your bike chain, you'll need a few essential items. A bicycle stand, while not absolutely necessary, can make the job much easier by keeping your bike stable and accessible. You'll also need a bucket of clean water to rinse off the degreaser after cleaning. If you're working indoors, a plastic floor mat is useful to protect your floor. This can be a dedicated product or just any piece of plastic. A cleaning brush with stiff bristles is ideal for scrubbing away old grease and grime. For the quick and easy clean, a chain cleaning device is invaluable, as it's the easiest and quickest way to clean your chain while it's still on the bike. Have some clean rags on hand for wiping and drying the chain after cleaning. You'll also need a degreaser, which is a solvent-based cleaner specifically designed to remove grease and oil buildup. A small container for decanting the degreaser can make application more manageable. Finally, consider having a chain rivet tool or a quick link tool on hand. These are useful for removing and refitting the chain. Option 1. Cleaning the chain with a chain cleaning tool. Start by shifting the derailleurs to the highest gear at the back and the lowest at the front. Next, fill your chain cleaning tool with a degreaser. Attach the tool to the lower section of the chain, making sure the chain is fully seated and brushes inside the cleaner, and spin the cranks to allow the degreaser to thoroughly clean the chain as it passes through the tool. Once the degreaser has done its job, empty the tool and refit with clean water. Reattach the tool to the chain and spin the cranks again to rinse off any remaining degreaser. After rinsing, dry the chain thoroughly with a clean rag. If the chain still shows signs of dirt or grease, proceed to the next step. Option 2. Removing and cleaning the chain with a brush. Begin by removing the chain from your bike. If you're unsure how to do this, pause now and check out my detailed video tutorial here for step-by-step guidance. Once the chain is off, place it into a container filled with a degreaser. Let it soak for a while. This not only removes the dirt visible on the outside, but also helps dislodge grime trapped between the rollers, where it's hardest to clean and causes the most wear. After soaking, scrub the chain thoroughly using a hard bristle brush to remove any stubborn dirt from the surface. Rinse the chain well in a bucket of clean water, then dry it completely using a rag. Before reinstalling the chain, ensure that all the drivetrain components such as cassette, chainrings and jockey wheels are also clean. This reduces wear and prevents your freshly cleaned chain from quickly picking up dirt from unclean parts. Once everything is clean, reinstall the chain. If you're unsure how to do this, I've got another helpful video tutorial here to guide you. Once it's clean and on the bike, it's time to lubricate it. Check out my video on proper chain lubrication here. Now that your drivetrain is clean and your chain is properly maintained, you're ready to hit the road. Alright, I hope you found the tips in this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below how your bike chain cleaning went. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Your subscriptions, likes, comments and shares on social media and forums mean the world to me. If you've been enjoying the content and want to take your support to the next level, consider becoming a channel member. It's a fantastic way to help keep the channel going and unlock some exclusive perks. If you're interested, just click the link on the screen or in the description for more details. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.